How often do you upgrade your GPU? This guy seems mad he can't upgrade his. Do you know that you don't need to buy a new GPU every generation? You people are the reason they got so expensive. You just have to buy a new GPU every time a new generation comes out. If you keep buying, they keep increasing. Okay, buddy. That's not quite why the price increases, but I would love to live in your world. It seems simple. This is my graphics card, the RTX 3080. It's the EVGA For the Win 3 model. I bought this GPU back in 2022, and before that, I was rocking an RTX 3060 Ti. But before that, in 2020, I was rocking the GTX 1660 Super. And a few months before that, I was using my first ever graphics card, the GTX 1060 6GB. Based off that info, I've been upgrading my GPU every 2 generations or 2 years.